You think that car alarm is gonna distract me? I don't think so. I'm zoned in, baby. I gotta go at least 6 for 14 to stay with you, but I'm gonna shoot for 8 or 9 for 14. That's over 50%. Keep your eyes open here. Six for 9, Shaq. It's all bonus points from here, baby. All bonus! All bonus! All bonus! All bonus! 8 for 14, Shaq. I think I'm one basket behind you. Listen, man, this is a lot of fun so far. I hope you're enjoying it. You've been shooting well. You've been playing good. It's fun to watch, man. Hey, have a nice weekend. I'll see you tomorrow. 8 for 14.